Hello YouTube, this is Tech and Game Info, and here's a quick update. Today I'm going to the computer shop and I'm gonna buy some stuff like a new power supply, cause the one in my computer can't handle my video card and sound card. That's the one what I'm going to buy, and I'm gonna buy a case fan with LEDs, and yeah, that's about it for now. So when I'm back, I'm gonna make a video on how you can install a new power supply and a case fan to your computer, and how do you know if it's 80 millimeter or 120 millimeter. And yeah, that's about it. So subscribe and wait till my new video is up. It will be recorded on my cam recorder. It has good quality, so yeah, don't worry about that. And I will show every single step and how you connect it to your motherboard and such. So yeah, stay tuned.